Come, wait right there. The table. It's perfect. Oh my goodness sakes! My food. What is this thing? I just have to see. Take my umbrella. Okay, take a little stroll. It's very fuzzy indeed. I'm gonna go get my child. Oh, honey! Can we keep him? No, it's way too big and it's too firm.